morning to all. I am AAKRITI from BBA 5th semester batch 1. I am here to give a presentation in Indian financial system. First of all, I would like to thank Nitish sir for giving me this opportunity to stand here. Today my topic is National Stock Exchange. So, NSE is an acronym used for the National Stock Exchange. For the formation of Indian capital market was established in 1992 and the trading in NSE was started on 4 November 1994. NSE is the first trading platform which provides electronic trading, and NSE uses electronic satellite communication technology for trading. NSE provides screen-based trading, transparency to their traders, and the screen transparency and fairness. There is no trading floor in NSE trading, and NSE helps to eliminate the open pit area system which was initially started by the traders in the Bombay Stock Exchange. NSE uses the NEAT support for the satellite communication trading, and the full form of NEAT is National Exchange Automated Trading. NEAT strengthens the contribution of the traders for the trading in the market, where the traders come and buy and sell their stocks to each other. It is the biggest vast incorporated stock exchange over the world. This was here is my PPT. What is National Stock Exchange of India meaning? I have already explained you that National Stock Exchange helps to electronically trade between two traders. And here is the small definition of the National Stock Exchange. A stock exchange known for its early adoption of computerized trading technology that is now part of the NYSE and called the NYSE National. Coming to the next slide, this all from my side.